bar rail closer, a little chainsaw hack. So you want your chain to slide right in the rail, but you want to have just a slight bit of slop. But if you, as you can see, it's not dropping down all the way. So an easy fix, or if you pinch your bar rail too much, you can take a punch or screwdriver and a hammer and just slowly work your way down. Open it back up. Opening these bar rails only work on solid bars, so if you got a laminated bar, just throw it right in the trash, because the bars will break apart if you try to close or open the rails. You always take a brand new chain. Don't take a used chain when you're checking. If you go to put a new chain in after you set it for the used chain, it won't fit ever again. And see, it's really sloppy now. So you're gonna have to take your bar rail closer. There's a couple other different ways to do this. There's this little Woodland Pro, or you can take an anvil with some 050 or whatever gauge your chain is, shim stock, and you can pound it down with on an anvil. That'd be the most preferred method, but you can use these bar rail closers, and they work pretty decent. You just gotta slowly go back and forth, slowly tightening it down. Try a couple times. Put your chain back in. See how it feels. See, it's tightening it right up. Probably go just a hair more. Probably be good to go. Running across a few times. Try it again. Give that a try. See, the slop's gone away pretty decent. There's a little slop over here, but should be alright. Just a quick little chainsaw hack.